One pro-People's Democratic Party group for Rivers State don't talk say whether or not say the Rivers State Election Petition Tribunal go come out from the state, the Governor Elect SIM Fubara go still come out as the winner. Marvin Yobana, wey be the chairman board of trustees of the group, now talk this one when he react to the relocation of the Rivers State Election Petition Tribunal to Abuja. He contest said the group gets strong faith for the judiciary and said the PDP for the state they stand gidigba sake of say na dem win for the election, and say as e be now, no party dey for Rivers State wey go fit beat People's Democratic Party. Yobana constitute mouth for the allegation wey dem say him betray the Ogoni people. He talk say he stand with them and him dey always work with the people.
But we trust the judiciary, and we know that the judiciary is the temple of justice, and they are going to make sure that the votes of Rivers people count, has been done by the election results we've gotten. INEC itself has certified those results. We have that copy. That is why we protested, because we wanted our certified true copies. Now we have them. So we have faith in the judiciary. No matter, if you like, take the tribunal to anywhere, even to America, to Hague, we know that we've won, and we won fairly and squarely. So it doesn't matter what tribunal or what judge you bring. If they have a plan to go to Abuja and truncate the mandate that the Rivers electorate has given to our candidates and our leaders, we will not accept that. Are they going to govern Rivers State from Abuja? That person that they want to go and bring, will he not come to Rivers State? Let me tell you something. There is no party in this state that can win PDP for now. No. So you see, let us be realistic. They try to play politics with everything, but we trust the judiciary that they will uphold justice for the people.
From Rivers State, A. Carter, Ojesili, TMC TV News.